Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. Let's get into this wig I was sent from Nadula Hair. Just in case any of you guys are interested in this wig or looking for a curly wig, check my description box because I'm going to leave the details to this wig and also links just in case you're interested. So here's the wig right here. Now they did send me over there 32-inch 5x5 HD Lace Jerry Curly Wig, and I have it in 180% density. So me and this wig have been through it. I have been wearing this for a good little minute, so I'm just going to give y'all the scoop on this because I think that I have a lot to talk about. So first off, when they say 180% density, I'm like, where? Because this wig is so full, you guys. Like, I know y'all see it. I don't see this being 180% density, but okay. It's giving me like more of a 250. Y'all let me know what y'all think. The wig is big. Now, with that being said, if you like big curly hair and you're looking for the type of fullness that this wig is giving, by all means, this is going to be the wig for you. Now, if this is, I know this is probably going to be too much for some people, and just maintaining this wig, period, because it is a curly, thick wig, it's a lot, you guys. But the hairline, I did go in and I'm not pre-pluck. I did go in and pluck the hairline. Now the hairline did come pre-plucked, and I did go in and bleach the knots because the knots did not come bleached. Now one thing I don't really care for are the knots because they're a little big to me, y'all. And it's just like, dang, the lace lays and melts so good, and then it's just the knots. So okay, like I was saying, I bleached the knots, right? Bleached it the first time. Y'all gonna see me styling it, adding my little baby hair and all of that. That was the very first time that I bleached the knots on this wig. And I was just not feeling it. I think you can actually see it in my face after I do my baby hair and all of that. Is when I realized I didn't really like it. I don't know what was going on, but it was just it was too much. So as I'm editing this video the first time, I'm like, something is off. I just don't like the way it looked. I think that me not having any lashes on has a lot to do with it as well. I just look weird, y'all. Now I'm thinking, okay, cool. I need a redo. So I takes the wig and I bleach the knots a second time. Already did the knots on here. I'm just gonna let you know they difficult. Now the second time it did bleach better than the first time, but it still didn't get it how I wanted to. The overall wig though I do like, but the knots was giving me some problems. Okay, so boom, went ahead, bleached the knots again, right? And you see right here, like the whole look was just off. First of all, the hair is like really thick, big. Mind you, this is the hair what it looks like air dried now after I already plucked some of the hairline. So of course the curls in the top are not as defined as the ones in the back. And I think that just my baby hairs was throwing me off. The whole thing was just throwing me off. So like I said, I redid everything. After that, I fixed my baby hair. The knots was still a little like, but then because the lace is so like melty, I took some of my finishing powder and I just dabbed some in the front, and girl, the knots disappeared. It looks so good, and you about to see. This is me trying to style a wig without any type of product or um, water or anything. This is how it looks, pretty much air dried. And it's okay. It is very full and big, but I definitely love the end result. So what I did was I fixed the hairline some more. Like I said, I bleached the knots. Then I went in with some water and I took my Shape Me by Lotta Body. I think it has coconut and shea oil in it. I don't know. It tames, frizz, and adds moisture, and it's for relaxed and natural hair. I just now bought this product and I actually like it. So right here, you're seeing the hair. It's about, I'm gonna say 80% dry. And the product that I use, I think that it gave it a shine. It definitely defined the curls. Like I said, this is a Jerry curl texture. So when detangling this wig and everything, it is some work, and because it's long, it's definitely some work. But I will say I haven't had any shedding, and once the wig is dry, it just looks really beautiful, and the curls are very much defined. It looks good. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Excuse me while I love me. Excuse me while I love me. Excuse me.